In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete unused clips in Pro Tools. Now to do this, first you want to go to your Clips tab over here on the right, and then you want to click on this arrow down button over here in the very top right over here. So just click on that, and then from here you want to hover over Select, and you want to click on Unused. This is going to select all the unused clips, and then to actually delete these, you want to click on the arrow down again, click on the Clear button, and just like this, you're going to have to click on the Remove button over here if you want to remove selected clips from this session. But of course, if you want to move them to a recycle bin, you want to click on that. But if you want to delete them permanently, click on delete over here and they're gonna get deleted. So it's up to you. I'm just going to hit the delete button over here and they're gonna be deleted just like this. Okay, you're gonna have to confirm it, and I'm gonna click on yes or no, whatever you want to do, and there we go. As you can see, the clips have been deleted. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.